It's not about being good. If you're in this world and you came, you didn't come just to maintain as you came. No, not at all. Never. If you came to this world, you have something to do. You have work to do. If you don't know what that work is, you're going to get pushed. You're going to, I'm not trying to bring anything on to anybody, but that's the way things work, right? We do get pushed. Unfortunately, those challenges sometimes are challenging because we've gotten the message before, and again, the message gets more and more louder, as it were. So we don't want that. We want to be able to use the tools, understand. The more we understand, the more we know how the system works, the more we know how God works, the more God we can get, the more connection we have. All about connection.